This 2018 Honda Accord Sport has electronic parking brake. Flip a switch, parking brake locks. Flip it down, it unlocks. I'll show you how to do the brake pads. 60,633 miles. And then I hit the brakes the other day while on a road trip and they were making some noise. And the good news about these wheels, they're big, they're fancy. The good news is not the price of the tires, but I'm thinking I could probably get my cell phone camera in there, do a little inspection of the brake pads using the camera. Okay, that one looks pretty thin. Now that outside pad, you can see the wear was just getting metal to metal. Not enough to damage the rotor, just enough to let you know that they were worn out. So before and after. There are some wires you can unplug from that motor. I felt like mine had enough slack I didn't bother unplugging them. Mine, I turned it clockwise backwards about 4 turns. That's as far as it would go. Instead of using a C-clamp to push the piston back in, I used the handle of some channel locks and pried it right back in place. Simple and easy. Actually forgot to put the dust covers back over the Allen bolts, but the wheel holes are so big, I can stick my hand in there, pop them in place. I say that, let me try left-handed. And done. The brake job is now done. I've got all the tools on a zero turn. I can run them right back to the garage.